Hello everyone, today we're looking at a neat little gadget, a 5A LED strip sensor power switch. Specifically, this is a 6-24V mini PIR infrared motion switch designed for LED strip lights, and this one comes in white. The main purpose of this device is to automatically control your LED strip lights based on motion. Instead of fumbling for a switch in the dark or relying on voice commands, this sensor activates the lights when it detects movement and turns them off after a set period of inactivity. The installation is pretty straightforward. It's designed to be easily integrated into your existing LED strip light setup. You simply connect it between your power supply and the LED strip. The voltage range of 6-24V makes it compatible with a wide variety of LED strips, which is a definite plus. The PIR, or passive infrared, sensor is what detects the motion. It works by sensing changes in infrared radiation, which is essentially heat. When a warm body, like a person or animal, moves within its field of view, the sensor triggers the switch. The white color of the switch housing allows it to blend in with many decors, making it less noticeable. The compact size is also a benefit, as it can be discreetly mounted in various locations. In practical use, this motion sensor switch can be quite convenient. Imagine using it in a closet, under kitchen cabinets, or along a hallway. The lights turn on automatically when you enter the space and turn off after you leave, saving energy and adding a touch of modern convenience. One thing to consider is the sensitivity and range of the sensor. The sensitivity determines how easily it's triggered, and the range dictates how far away it can detect motion. Depending on your specific needs, you might want to experiment with the placement of the sensor to achieve optimal performance. Overall, this 5A LED strip sensor power switch is a simple yet effective way to automate your LED strip lights. Its ease of installation, wide voltage compatibility, and discreet design make it a worthwhile addition to any LED lighting project. If you're looking for a hands-free lighting solution, this little device is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.